Hello everyone, welcome back to Culinary Crossroads. Today we are diving into the world of rich and flavorful Indian cuisine and making very delicious Navratan Korma. The name Navratan means 9 gems. These 9 jewels can be a mix of vegetables, fruits and nuts, giving this dish its unique taste and rich consistency. So let's get started and bring a piece of royal Indian cuisine to your kitchen. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter, once melted, add chopped garlic. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes till rawness of garlic goes away. Then add half cup of potatoes and half cup of sweet potatoes and about 1/4 cup of carrots. Keep the size of vegetables medium and not too small, otherwise it will get mashed up while cooking. Give a good mix. Cover and steam it till tender for 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. Then add blanched French beans, peas and cauliflower. Blanching vegetables first makes it easier to cook them later in the curry, and vegetable retains the color as well. If using raw vegetables, add cauliflower first along with beans and then the rest of the vegetables. Cook only until the moisture evaporates. We are not going to cook it completely. Vegetables look perfect. There is no moisture and have dried as well. Remove from heat and keep aside. To make delicious korma curry, heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a wok on medium heat. Add few strands of mace, 1 black cardamom, 3 green cardamoms and 1 star anise, followed by 1 cinnamon stick broken into few pieces and 2 small petals of stone flower. Add few pieces of chopped ginger along with shahjeera. Then add roughly chopped onions and 1/4 cup of almonds. Saute for 5 to 6 minutes on low-medium heat until fragrant and onions are soft but not brown. Just like this. Then add 2 chopped tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri red chili powder here. Stir well. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Then add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and about 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala powder. Mix very well and keep cooking it on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add beaten yogurt, gradually stirring continuously to avoid curdling. Mix well and let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. The masala for the curry looks so good and it is so aromatic in here. Remove from heat and cool it at room temperature. Once cooled, blend it to a fine paste. Just like this. In the same wok, add 1 tablespoon of butter Melt on medium heat. Once melted, using a sieve, strain the creamy masala paste in. Straining ensures that tiny bits of spices don't go in the smooth curry paste. Scrape all the strained curry paste from the sieve. Add about half cup of water in blender jar. And put the water using sieve in the curry. We don't want to waste anything. Give a good mix to the simmering korma curry. Add salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir well. Then add 1 julienned green chili. Crush kasuri methi in hands and then put in the simmering curry. Now add vegetables to the korma sauce and mix gently to coat all the vegetables. Then add cubed paneer and diced red bell pepper. Looks so appetizing and vibrant, isn't it? Let's add a touch of royalty to this very beautiful Navratan Korma. Add pistachios, coriander, and handful of cashews. Mix very lightly and there you have it. Super delicious Navratan Korma is ready. Serve it hot with soft buttered naans. Garnish it with apple pieces, raisins and generous swirls of cream. Some more chopped coriander on top with cashews. Wow, this looks absolutely delicious. Navratan Korma is known for its creamy, aromatic gravy and the beautiful medley of colors and textures. It is perfect for special occasions or when you want to treat yourself to something truly delightful. Whether you are serving it with naan, roti or steamed rice, this dish is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Thanks for joining me today. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more delicious content. It's a big motivation for me to keep putting out delicious recipes for you guys. See you soon in the next one.